Welcome to Global Eats, where today I'm going to be making bacon out of rice paper.
Say what?
Yes, bacon out of rice paper. So last week I experimented with some vegan bacon that I made out of banana peel.
What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about?
And the reaction I got from my friends, I posted a picture of it up on Facebook, and the reaction I got from my friends, who I do consider to be quite open-minded, was negative to say the least. It was as if I'd put the picture upon Rate My Plate or something like that. Yeah, even the vegans piled in and said to criticise it and say it looked disgusting. To be honest, it didn't look great, but it tasted okay. Honestly, anyone would think I'd pissed in their cornflakes. But today I'm going back to an older recipe that I have had before, and that's making vegan bacon out of rice paper. So let's give it a go, see how it turns out. Okay, let me run you through the ingredients. Okay, so that's the marinade made. So it's got a very, smells like smoky bacon crisps, to be honest. So I'm checking it, that's a good sign. And the next thing to do is to make the bacon. So what I'm going to do with this is, because it's very thin, you take 2 pieces and then just immerse them in water so they stick together. They only need to be in for a couple of seconds. And there we go. Now all I need to do is to cut them into strips. So I've cut them into strips, so I'm just going to immerse them in there and then put them on an oiled baking tray. Okay, so they're all ready to go. So I'm just going to put them in the oven for a few minutes and hopefully they'll come out looking like vegan bacon. Well, I transferred them from the oven into the frying pan because they just didn't seem to be crisp enough. So they're now in the frying pan. Half of them's already done, that's what they look like. These will just take another second. So there we go, vegan rice bacon. Let's give it a taste. It's better than the banana bacon, I think. It's quite chewy, but it's crispy as well. That's actually come out really well. So it's the first time I've ever done it before. I've had it before, but thumbs up from me.